ring fingers right here. It feels like I have a lot. So when you are using condensed glue gel, you might notice it's really thick density. So feel free to blend. I'm gonna make sure I blend all and tie the nails because I'm gonna use, but you can see my little dramatic glitter. You know, if you do, the clients love the encapsulate dramatic glitter like this, you can just top coat and leave it alone. It's good. But if the clients want crystal placement, I really don't want a crystal placement, but I really like it on it as well. So it's really debating, like I can leave it alone, but then it's a little bit too simple for me, I guess. It's so blurry on Instagram though. Do you feel it clear on Instagram, or it's too okay, let me take this one of this thing off. Okay. All right, so let me do one nails at a time. So that's why we won't have to. This one right there. So I'm gonna switch the order of the nails. See how it turned out. It's kind of fun. And oh, here's my thumb, just in case you wonder, curious. Okay, so now we're gonna using a no wipe top coat.
Okay.
I'm using no wipe top coat on the top. Hope everyone have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna try my best because there are several cameras on top of me and the lighting and all stuff, so my nails a little bit far away from me, but I can manage it. Great. So let's see. I am really obsessed with this. Really like the Mega Mix Charms designers. So much fun. I want to do something, maybe this one. I want to do variety of, so you can see the different of it. And did I do the same thing? Why do I do that?
You can have to have different nails.
Okay, hold on. It's okay. We'll move it down because I'm gonna switch the index nails to the ring finger, so then you can't see the different. So I'm gonna switch it a little bit because it's curved with the nails and with the C curve. So you kind of play with a little bit with the charm and see what is a great direction for the nails. And if you feel like it's too, the edges is not like flow with the nails, you can switch it a little bit, then you'll find the right edges for it. If you, this is like, it's really cool that I like a simple base underneath. Now I'm gonna add in some of the crystals. This is size SS8. Just for your information, if you're using, if you have some of SS8, which is stand for stone side, and if you have it, you can place them on. So I'm not using something like this, like the same with my index one, but I swap different the charm, so then you can see the different that you can play with. So do not like feel you have to be limit or exactly what you need to do. You can just create and feel free, unleash your potentials, and feel free to play with all different charms because they will go with whatever you design. Just feel like you control your crystal. Don't let it control you, and do not afraid of to try anything fun and new. Like today, watching Sarah live video is really inspired. She did a lot of cool things, and I feel like watching her live video is so satisfying. How's everyone doing? I miss having all of you like watching the live videos every day. Oh, I dropped that. I think this might be, I think the brush, if I do the clients, I could do 2 nails at the same time, but sometimes it's the best to do one at a time, and then you do all of them, then you go back with precision glue. When you see me do live tutorial, I usually doing it once and then I show the precision glue again right away, just for in case of any of you are tuning in, and you can watch it from start to beginning to the end. So when it happened like this, like I need to move my beads, just using the other end of your crystal pickers. So then your glue gel and the top coat will not contaminating on your crystal picker and wax. So I place the charms and the crystal really close together. So, or if you think you want to get them a little bit like far apart, make sure you place your beads with that, because it's like if the closer the tight they are, it's better as they kind of like link together, so they kind of protect each other from falling apart. Is one of the keys. And also that after you done with the 2-step, which is 2-step of crystal placement, which is the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, and you go into the 3rd step, which is gonna be really double secure unless you really like taking your nails off. I'm almost getting my nails taken off in front of you to seeing how staying good, and I got Mika help me and they coming off. I have to use E5 and crystal clipper just in case if you are taking off, remove your crystal placement using the proper clipper, so then you won't hurt your nipper. I would not using a nipper because it costs you so much for buying a nipper, the good quality one, and then you're using for crystal remover. So then it just, I feel it's just a waste like to use those, and sometimes it's hard to come off. Alright, sorry if I don't see anyone right now, but alright, so if you're happy with this, you know, it's funny because as I said, if the clients like this and they want just only a little, just some here, so then they can still see their chrome and flick underneath, and they're encapsulating glitter, which is just so awesome that you can able to find it on the website. And I'm probably gonna do some of this for all of you tomorrow for encapsulating with condensed glue gel. So for all of you who is doing clients with the hard gels and or gel polish, so you don't feel like you just only can use it for liquid and powder. So before you cure, make sure you check, see if you need to adjusting it. With me, I usually turn it this way so I can see this better. Is make sure it's straight and it's even for you. And I will using just a piece of paper. Can you see well on Instagram? It looks like Instagram is just blurry. I'm gonna give it a really quick swipe. Do not use your hand or your fingers. Just make sure either you have gloves on. And then I will cure for 60 seconds. So the reason I swipe it off because it's gonna remove all the extra condensed glue gel and no wet top coat. So then that way the shape of your nail is gonna stay nice. All right, here for 60 seconds on this one.